Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Android features to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to share location on Android in 2025. With privacy and connectivity more important than ever, sharing your location can help you coordinate with friends, track deliveries, or even find your way in a new city. But don't worry, it's super straightforward, even if you're new to Android. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest software for 2025. This ensures all the newest sharing tools are available. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. It's usually that gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Location. If it's not already turned on, go ahead and toggle the switch to enable it. Android in 2025 has enhanced privacy controls, so you might see a prompt to confirm. Just select Allow to proceed. Now, with location services active, let's move to an app that makes sharing easy, like Google Maps. Open Google Maps from your home screen or search for it in your apps. Once it's loaded, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. That's the one that looks like a circle with your initials or photo. From there, select Share Location. You'll see options to share via a link, directly with contacts, or even for a set duration, which is a cool new feature in 2025 for better privacy. For more precision, you can tap on your current location on the map, then hit the Share button. Choose how you want to send it, whether through WhatsApp, email, or text. Remember, always share wisely and set a time limit to keep your info secure. If you're using other apps like family trackers, the process is similar, just look for the Share icon. And that's it. You've successfully shared your location on Android in 2025. This feature is a game changer for staying connected without the hassle. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.